Hi, I'm here with my friend Beth.
Cheers.
She was supposed to have a date tonight,
Which is why I have makeup on.
but she got stood up, so she came over to drink wine with me. And we thought we'd make a fun tutorial. And Beth is a lawyer, so what better to do than to make our elf,
The RBG.
Ruth Bader Ginsburg, the elf, is coming to you. I don't know Ruth Bader Ginsburg that well, but I do feel like she believes in getting elfed up.
I would hope so. I don't know if RBG would enjoy as much wine as we do.
Cheers. First, to make a pattern for our elf's robe, I'm going to lay out a piece of tracing paper. Tracing paper is a staple for an architect, so thankfully there is always some laying around my house. It's one of the many tools I steal from my husband on a regular basis. So just plop Ruthie down on your paper and trace around her arm and down the side of her body. We only need to draw one side because we will cut our fabric on the fold. Make sure you leave room for your seam allowances.
We drink. Cheers.
Now is a really good time to take a nice long break for drinking. Yeah. Now we take our black felt and fold it in half both ways. That way when we unfold it, we will have two sides to the robe and both the back and the front all connected. It's super easy. Lay your pattern down so that both the top edge and the middle edge are lined up on the folds of the fabric. Then just pin the pattern to the fabric and cut. It seriously can't get any easier. Cheers.
For wine?
Wine not.
Wine.
Why not? Now we need to cut the front opening. I'm just folding it in half as an easy way to mark the middle, and now I can cut all the way up the middle of the top layer. And I'm going to cut a little V-neck in, and we're ready to try it on her. Oh, RBG, this is looking really good. I think we made the sleeves a little too long. It's okay, we'll go back, we'll do it again, because
Sip happens.
sip happens. We'll just cut a little bit off the sleeves here. And I'm gonna trim a little bit off the sides too for RBG's svelte figure. I think we should try it on her before we sew it up.
Sounds good to me. I think we did okay.
Yeah, look how cute she is.
Might be a little Voldemortish, but
It's not Voldemortish.
we'll get there.
It's that. Wait, what does RBG say?
I dissent.
I dissent. No, she doesn't say it like a man.
I dissent. Cheers, Ruth. We love you. We really do.
So if this was step one, step two,
Having a little Pinot Noir.
to finish the robe, you just need to sew the seams under the arm and down the side together.
Do we want a pun with RBG?
Now I'm doing cat puns.
Nothing.
To make the base of the descent collar, start with a square piece of fabric. Fold it in half and then in half again. This is the same method as making any kind of circle skirt. With the folded corners as your neckline, cut an arc along the open edges. Then cut a smaller arc where the neck will be. Cut through one side to make an opening in your collar, and you're ready for sequins. So here's RBG. We have her robe sewn together, and she is perfect.
Looks great.
And we have the beginnings of her descent collar that we just cut out. Let's try it on her.
Very simple. Even I could do it.
You can do it, okay. Look at her. But now we need to make it her descent collar by sewing sequins on. And we decided that we could do a row of 3, and then a row of 4, and then a row of 3 of the sequins to make it sort of variegated as we go, right?
Yep. To match what RBG wears.
I mean, she needs to be very authentic.
Mm-hmm.
She's so cute.
But in the meantime,
Step 4. Let's get elfed up.
have a little of this and
Get elfed
elfed
up.
up. Yeah.
Get elfed up. If you are like me, you have small children who are in your business constantly, so the only time you can really get anything done is in the middle of the night. And wine helps.
And so do friends.
Friends help a lot. Sometimes I pretend to teach my friends things, but really they're just my free labor.
Getting it done.
You had me at Merlot. Yeah.
Is this Merlot?
I don't, probably not. Show them up close. See, look at that.
Gosh, I'm so proud.
People will tell you they cannot craft, but it's a lie.
Like me.
She can do it.
Figuring this out.
Sometimes you just have to give them enough wine. Getting elfed up.
Why not?
Wine not. Wine not.
I don't know what I'm doing.
There's so many things in this world to dissent, and it's not getting elfed up.
Nope.
It's not wine.
Let it flow, Pinot.
Then you gotta do it one more time.
Oh, I do? Okay. Let it flow, Pinot. Oh, empty bottle. Kind of like my DMs.
That's really funny.
Oh. Hopefully you can make my personal life look more interesting.
This is late night crafting at its best, and truly is our creativity juice.
Oh, is this what's happening?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's my wine inspiration.
And my awesome water.
Yeah, it's not water. Here she is, RBG.
RBG is someone who has always thought of gender rights regardless of being a man elf or a she elf. And has a reverence for equality regardless of gender.
All elves should be represented.
Oh, that's true too. Yes.
Right? All elves. Elf Bader Ginsburg.
Elf Bader Ginsburg.
Elf Bader Ginsburg.
Elf Bader Ginsburg.
Ready?
Cheers to
Elf
Bader Ginsburg.
Cheers to Elf Bader Ginsburg. We're waving. Hi.
Bye.
Bye.
Thanks for watching.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. We had so much fun tonight. We're going to be doing this again.
We switched to box wine.
Yeah, we will elf you up.
You look lovely.
I love her glasses.
Thank you for dissenting so many times.
I don't know why I'm so angry every time.
I dissent.
I just said.
I know you've got like a gargoyle voice.
I'm
Angry voice.
What am I? A Voldemort?
Well, she looked Voldemort-ish.
But then also, doesn't my voice sound like? I know, I've never seen the movie or read the book. No.
No, you're more. So I wouldn't put you in Harry Potter world. I'd put you in Lord of the Rings world, where you sound like Saruman.
I've never seen that either.
Yeah, oh my god.
I did listen to the record when I was little.
For Lord of the Rings?
Yes.
Yeah, we gotta fix that.